Alright, wait to start. So, I lowered the compression to 18 to 1, and it's just not quite enough glow anymore. So I'm going to put in a switch. Momentary switch here. I have been watching lots of videos, and most people just put in a second relay on those terminals. I don't really want to do that. I want to use the original relay and just use the excite wire. But the problem with that is the excite wire is hooked to the ECM. Okay, let's see what I've done here. I've taken this blue connector, pin 7 is this blue wire. I've cut it. I've taken this yellow wire from the longer brown connector, and that is pin number 6. This yellow wire, pin 6. Okay, this is a Haynes diesel. It's got the 6.2, 5.7, 6.5, and a bunch of Fords. I found that the glow plug circuit diagram is not accurate. It shows this orange wire being hooked to the glow plug indicator light. That's not accurate. I found this on forum. I don't remember which one, but you can see here that connector 3, pin 7 is dark blue, and it goes to the wait to start. And this other wire that comes off of the driver's side branch just goes and basically tells the ECM that the glow plugs are on. And then this yellow wire is the one that goes to the glow plug relay. And so I've cut this one, and I've cut this one. To use the factory glow plug relay and have the light come on, you need a double pole switch. So one to run the excite wire to the relay, and one, so that one gives power to the relay, and then one to ground the blue wire, which is going to the ECM. So the ECM grounds that wire, and then the light comes on. Okay, this is how it looks. I got my high idles, 2 high idles. Off is in the middle. Up is the glow plug relay. Factory glow plug relay. And then I've got these 4 switches here that run out to here, and they're all color coded with heat shrink right there. And I'm gonna have this relay block mounted to the fender here somewhere. So 5 relays and 6 fuses. Diodes came. It's number 10SQ050. I think they're for like solar panels, blocking diodes. It's a 10 amp. I got 40 of them. Came in a pack. Just got this light bulb stick the silver tip towards the battery, and I'll just ground this side. Nothing. So I'll take the silver tip and I'll turn it towards the load. There we go. That's it. So it will flow through this way. It will not flow with the silver tip first. Alright, I just soldered the diode in to the ECM. Well, not to the ECM, but the plug going to the ECM. So there's this yellow wire, and as I cut it, I put the ECM, or the diode in the silver stripe away from the ECM, and then this black wire goes to my switch. So this will put 12 volts in, but it won't be able to put any voltage into my ECM. But my ECM will still be able to turn my glow plugs on. So then if I want more time, I just push the button and it sends down this wire. Can't go this way, so then it goes down to the relay. Alright, my bezel is done wiring. High idle, 2 settings, got glow plugs. I have 4 relays hooked up. Show you the back. So there's my 4 relay switches. They go to this plug, and then high idle goes to this plug as well. This plug is for the glow. So I got 4 pins on there, 3 pins on the high idle, and then 8 pins, well, 5 pins I guess, because I use a common power for there. Here's the truck side. I got that 3-pin weather pack and this other connector. I got so the 4 wires in here are going to run over to my ECM under the dash, and then I'll hook them in. I just wanted to get everything in a loom so it's clean and I won't have any problems down the road. I just cut this blue wire, connector C3, which is the blue terminal, or blue connector on the ECM. Pin 7. It's the blue wire, and I cut it, and then I just spliced in another wire. Basically just teed in a wire right here to a switch that goes to ground, which is hooked to also this pin. No. This pin. Yellow wire. Yeah, this pin. So these 2 are hooked to the same switch. It's a double position switch. So this circuit grounds and this circuit jumps power. So these 2 terminals are this jumping to ground, and these 2 terminals, this yellow, put 12 volts to the glow plug relay. But I have a diode in here so it doesn't backfeed into the ECM. This side I just have teed in. Just a momentary double pull switch. This is all you need to put in a glow plug relay switch. extend the glow plug circuit if you desire. It'll work just fine by itself. If you want it longer, just hit the switch and the light will come on and the relay will trigger, and can't go back into the ECM. So pretty easy. There. So here's the blue connector, and I just keyed in right here, soldered in this green wire, which I still have yet to route, tidy up, and hook to the rest of these. I got 4 wires. 2 are for my high idle, and these 2 are for my glow plugs. They run in loom over to the other side where the connector is. Yeah, that pretty much sums it up. Pretty easy. Alright, let's test my oh yeah. That's satisfying. You can see the voltmeter drop. Coming on. The light works. So that's the factory relay with a double pull switch and 1 diode. Pretty easy, pretty cheap. Seems to work good. And if I don't want to use it, I don't have to. Comes on automatically. ECM controls if I want it on longer. Just hit the switch.